At dahil nga malapit na magkita ang kaitan, ay ito si Eitan talagang nag-i-effort talaga siya na mag-aral ng Tagalog. At talaga naman nagpapasalamat tayo dito kay Nana po, no? Talagang ang tiyaga niya magturo dito kay Eitan. At talaga makikita naman natin, pursigidong matuto itong ating binatang napakagwapo. Grabe, talagang pinag-ahandaan niya talaga. Yung kahit man na mga basic na salita ay alam niya. At kung paano pakiligin si Kylie. At kabang-abang ang pagkikita nila, no? Talagang marami na nag-iintay niyan at maaaring magkaroon pa sila ng concert tour at magkakaroon pa ng fans meet. O, di ba? Tama ba yung pagsabi ko? Fan meet. Oo, abangan natin yan. Magkita-kita tayo doon.
I'm Philippine King!
Philippine King daw ngayon si Ethan, everyone. Okay, Tagalog. Tagalog?
Okay, Tagalog. Get to just...
Tagalog lesson?
Yeah, of course.
At sinsa?
Volleyball.
Pali ba? Because I forgot. Pali.
You say how about
I mean, Tagalog ba? Tagalog. The one you learn. Tell me.
Kumusta? Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Kumain ka na.
Kumain ka na.
Namimiss kita.
Namimiss kita.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Kumain ka na. Kumain ka na.
Already. Other. Oh.
Sa akin ka lang.
Sa akin ka lang. What else? What
넌 내
else?
거야.
What?
넌 내 거야. You're mine. You're mine. You're mine.
Sa akin ka lang. Tapos na. It's done.
넌 내 거야.
Patawad.
patawad. Iniisip kita.
Iniisip kita.
Iniisip kita.
And what else? Yayakapin kita.
And what?
Yayakapin
Ingat
kita.
ka. Ingat ka.
Ingat ka. Yayakapin kita. If Miss Kylie ba? Ethan.
Yayakapin kita. Yayakapin kita. Yakapin kita. Before. 잠깐만. 뭐였어? nasasaktan ako.
Nasasaktan ako. Oh.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Who teach you ang sarap?
Ang sarap. You say. Ang sarap. Yummy.
Saan mo na kuha ang sarap?
I didn't say that on you.
You teach me. Yun na. Maybe buboy.
Buboy teach you.
Buboy say. Ang sarap. So, yummy. That's why, bro. Ang sarap. Cheskay buboy.
Okay. Ang sarap. Wait. Others.
Halika
No,
dito,
so-
yakapin kita.
Oh, halika dito. Yayakapin kita. Meron pa others. There's others more. You didn't list down?
Huh?
You didn't write down?
I just like...
Nagsisilos ako. Napapangiti mo ako.
Oh, yeah.
Napapangiti.
Before. You already did. Napapaninti mo ako.
Okay. Nasasaktan ako. Okay.
Napapaninti mo ako.
Okay. Ikaw aking pahinga.
Alagaan kita.
Okay.
Too many.
Yeah, so many. But this one ba is good. If you see Kylie very tired face.
Yeah, halika dito, yakapin kita.
Oh, good see.
Yeah.
Why you forget that one? I didn't see your screenshot. You say that. You have to say to Kylie.
No, I say before.
So that
I say before.
Kylie feel energy. Because Kylie always very tired.
Yes,
Intro work.
I say just yakapin kita like this, yakapin kita.
Every day you can tell to Kylie that one every day when you see Kylie.
Huh?
every day, 괜찮아, you say that one to Kylie. If,
but just if you say just Kylie, oh, I'm very tired like that. Just I say just 약간 빅기다 like this, but just kumusta ka like that, then Kylie say just I'm good like that. How can just 약간 빅기다?
oh, okay, I give you, okay. Kylie will say, I'm good. But you will tell to her, oh, you look so tired. Halika dito, yayakapin
Looks
kita.
not tired. Looks not tired. Maganda ka.
Kasi Kylie always pretty.
maganda ka ya. So looks not tired.
But you don't know Kylie always tired. Inside.
Ah, yeah.
So you have to tell Kylie.
But just face is not tired. How can just say, oh, you looks tired? How can say just? How can say? Looks not tired.
Okay, other.
Yeah. Yeah, looks
Okay.
not tired.
Okay, your point. Okay, today is your point. Okay.
Mm.
I will agree. How many gloves you get?
Don't know.
Wait. I'm thinking, wait. Guys, ano nga yun, guys? Ituturo ko sana sa kanya. Yung music yung music because I'm thinking Tagalog. Oh.
Ding 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 ding. John, thank you.
Ethan, can we change? We learn other thing. Pick up line. Kenso na?
Huh?
Pick up line.
Pick up line?
Oh, kenso na?
What is pick up line?
Like you wanna say something, like for example, Tagalog. This is Tagalog, okay? Okay. For example, Ethan, are you coins? And then you will say, why?
Are you coins?
Oh, coins. Piso.
What is coins?
Piso. coins. Say example only.
But example, I don't understand. Just example, yeah.
Oh, I just say like this.
Coins.
Ethan, are you coins? And then you will tell me
I
why.
will say that, I know. I will say just keep
Why?
it here.
No! You say to me why. Always answer why. Okay? Ang gift it to you. You will answer to me why.
Keep it here.
Ah, 진짜. Pali ba? Serious ba? Why? You will say to me why.
Why?
Because early in the morning, I need you. Like that.
Are you in the what? Are you? Huh? Are you in the morning? What?
Guys, kapoy man. Wait, check ka man. Kapoy.
Are you what?
Kapoy man. Wait, guys, wait.
One more thing.
Because start in the morning. Tito, yung English na ni guys. Start in the morning, I already need you.
Just like when I wake up, I need you right there.
Oh, start in the morning, I need you, okay?
Okay.
Let's pick up line.
That's why.
But you will say to this to Kylie Tagalog, okay?
Ano go?
What?
Ito I need in the morning.
Okay. You have to tell to you have to budol ka. You budol me?
Huh?
You budol me?
Everyone say this.
Okay.
Everyone.
You have to tell to Miss Kylie this one. Kylie, asawa ko.
Tama ko.
Barya ka ba?
Pareha ka pa.
Tapos Kylie will say, why? Bakit?
Pareha ka pa. Just
Coin.
go.
English is coins. One, 2, 1 coins. 진짜 왜 그래?
Yeah. Coins to one coin. The Y just Y coin say just.
Like this coins ba? 왜 그래?
Yeah. I understand coin.
That's barya, man. Okay?
Coin is TTU. Why then TTU? Why say TTU?
No, hindi. No, ano hindi? Not ito yun, hindi? Okay. You will say to Miss Kylie, asawa ko,
Ako.
barya ka ba?
Pareha ka pa. So that's one mean. Just pareha ka pa. Para.
Are you a coin?
Like why say are you coin? That's mean just are you
Pick up line! 진짜. Pick up
너는
line. I told you
동전이야?
this is pick up line.
너는 동전? You coin? You coin? You TTU 주세요.
Okay, you can joke to Miss Kylie. Miss Kylie, titiyo ka ba?
TTU ka ba?
You can tell to Miss Kylie. Miss Kylie, asawa ko, titiyo ka ba?
TTU ka ba? No, what is
Bakit?
I don't understand.
Oh, Kylie will say why? Bakit? then you will say, because you're my TikTok world. Charis.
Just like this.
Yeah, pick up line. Let's pick up line.
Yeah, pick up line like this. Just just people will say right. People will say just what they say just 여보세요 without 세요 like this same this.
Yes.
Pick up line.
Yes.
What? Yubo sa'yo? Yubo?
Yes. Okay.
Something like you flirt ba?
Flirting.
Oh,
Pick up
okay,
line is flirting. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
are you coy? So are you coy?
Okay, change that. Titiyo.
Okay, this- oh,
Now,
I
titiyo,
did.
change it. Change.
Okay.
Titiyo.
Are you TTU like this? Are you
Oh.
TTU?
Asawa ko.
Asawa ko.
Titiyo ka ba?
TTU 까봐? 얼류가 까봐야 까봐. TTU 까봐.
Titiyo ka ba?
까봐.
Oh,
TTU
ka ba? Oh, titiyo ka ba? Question mark.
TTU 까봐.
Okay. Miss Kylie will say, why? Bakit? Oh.
Both say yes, then how can?
No, not yes.
Just say yes, then how can?
No, not yes.
Not yes.
Kylie will say, bakit? Why? Way, oh. Kylie will answer, way.
Oh yeah, why?
Okay.
So then.
Okay. And then you will answer, kasi ikaw yung TikTok universe ko.
What? Huh?
Kasi, okay. Kasi ikaw,
Kasi ka? ang
ang TikTok universe ko.
TikTok universe ko.
Okay.
Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko.
Okay, kurutsi.
ate.
Sample ba? Sample. Mimi, Timo. Okay. Sample he.
You're not Kylie.
Timo. Chincha. Araso. Oh, Timo.
Holy shit!
Where is that?
What the?
Okay, Timo. Balik.
TTU ka ba? Asawa ko. TTU ka ba?
Why? Bakit?
Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko.
Oh, kurutsi. Okay.
Kasi ikaw ang TikTok universe ko ka. Just, you're my TikTok universe.
Oh, you're my TikTok universe.
Okay, understand. Okay.
Okay. Only one pickup line. That's okay?
Very hard. Very hard, yeah.
Very hurt.
Okay.
Kapoy, very tired. No, very hurt.
Tomorrow, okay.
Okay. 안녕하세요. Fighting eh.
Have a good day. Bye.
Fighting.
Anyone okay? But I don't know who I don't know.
No, everyone. Binsong only Binsong.
I think my baby is in love. He's just shy.
No, mama. Binsong.
Why are you smiling like
No,
that?
mama. Binsong.